guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and today we are making a classic tea time treat and one of my absolute favorites and go-to muffins. This is the Mawa cake transformed into a muffin. It is irresistible and I could gobble down 5 of these in one go. I'm not even exaggerating, they're that good. They're soft and fluffy and the flavor is amazing, and you are not going to believe how easy it is to put together this recipe. I mean, look at that interior. It is so fluffy. It's like a pillow. You could sleep on that. It's that good. And I am going to show you exactly how I made this. Before we dive into the recipe, I just very quickly wanted to talk to you about my online course, Just Cheeky Cheesecakes, where I show you how you can learn to bake irresistibly unique cheesecakes without eggs, without water bath, and without gelatin. This course is for you even if you have never baked a cheesecake before. And also, if you don't get cream cheese in your area, that's no problem, because I have a video where I show you how to make your own cream cheese within 30 minutes, so you are completely sorted. Inside this course, I teach you over 50 cheesecake recipes, and there's 3 super juicy bonuses, including an entire module dedicated just for savory cheesecakes. Oh yeah, we are going all out in this course. An even juicier brand new update is coming your way soon in the next couple of months, and that will completely blow your mind. It's almost like a part 2 for this online course, and it's going to transform your home baking business forever. And you get all of this content for lifetime access at a price that you would normally pay for a 3-hour workshop. Isn't that an amazing deal? And I would recommend that you grab it while the price still lasts, because the prices will be going up soon. There's over 30 students currently enrolled in this course, and they are thoroughly loving it, and they think that I am seriously undercharging for the value that they have received. The prices will be increasing soon once I launch the heavy duty update, and so if you would like to make this year the one that grows your home baking business to the moon, then enroll in the course right away. However, if you would like to get a little taster before you make this investment, download a free preview of the recipe ebook, which is one of the bonuses in the course. All the links have been mentioned down in the description box below. I'm so excited to welcome you to my course, and now let's get back to the recipe. Preheat your oven firstly to 200 degrees Celsius. Now here in a bowl I have some dahi or store-bought yogurt. Into this I am going to add some milk. Both are at room temperature. Just give it a good mix until both the milk and the dahi are well combined. Now I'm going to add my leavening agents and cardamom powder in this. So there's baking soda, baking powder and cardamom powder. All the quantities are down in the description box below, so check that out. I'm going to use my whisk and combine this really well until everything is well mixed together. The powders have been mixed well with the yogurt and milk, and you'll already see a fizzy reaction taking place, and it's getting nice and foamy, which is exactly what we want. Now let this sit at room temperature for about 1 to 2 minutes. It will start to get foamier as it sits. After about 2 minutes, we are going to proceed by adding our dry ingredients. You can see how foamy that has gone. That is just perfect, and it's going to give our Mawa cake muffins amazing results. Now add the dry ingredients. Here we are first starting off with some all-purpose flour. Now I'm adding some castor sugar. Now I'm going to add some room temperature Mawa or khoya. Just pop it in there, we're going to mix it later. And then I'm also going to add some edible vegetable oil. Now using my electric beaters, I'm going to mix this first on a low speed, because I don't want the flour flying away everywhere. So on a low speed, just mix until everything is well combined. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my spatula, because as you can see there's a lot of ingredients attached on the sides of the bowl, and I want everything to be mixed well together. So I'm going to take my spatula, go along the sides and then the bottom of the bowl, and then I'll start mixing this again on a medium speed now for about 2 minutes. And if I find that the batter sticks to the sides again, I will stop halfway through and use my spatula, go along the sides and the bottom again, just to make sure everything is well combined. There will be some lumps from the Mawa, which is totally fine. Now I'm going to add some sea salt in there and just sort of use my spatula and mix everything together. I'm just going to fold it. I'm not going to mix it in any random direction, just fold it through. And now our Mawa cake batter is ready. Now let's bake our Mawa cake muffins. So here I have a muffin tray and I've lined it with some cupcake liners. I'm going to fill these all the way up to the brim. Just leave a little bit of the space on top. You don't want to overfill these, but fill them almost up to the brim, leaving a slight gap. And as a final finishing touch, I'm going to add some flaked pistachios and flaked almonds on top. And then these muffins will first bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then you lower the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius and bake them for another 10 to 12 minutes or until a skewer or a knife inserted in the center emerges clean. Once they are baked, you're going to take it out of the oven and let it rest at room temperature till they cool down. It takes about an hour to 90 minutes. And now let me show you what they look like after they have baked. Look at those high top domes. That blast of high heat of 200 degrees in the beginning 10 minutes of the baking sort of puffs the muffin all the way up, gives it that beautiful dome, and then turning the temperature down lets it bake evenly throughout. This is why we bake it first at a very high temp and then lower it down. Look how gorgeous these muffins are. They are so incredibly addictive. I'm not even exaggerating. All you need is a cup of tea and you will be gobbling down several of these muffins in one go. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you again next time. Until then, goodbye and happy baking.